Everything heavy when we step out. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Brings to this channel. Welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay, now for today's video, I'm coming to you guys real crazy with my hair all messed up and ish. You know, we got them doodle braids all the way together and in. And for today's video, we'll be trying a headband wig from WigginsHair.com. The hair that we'll be trying is a 24-inch curly hair. You guys know I love a really good curly hair. So this is the package that the wig came in, and I'm just going to show you guys like straight out of the package what the wig looks like. I'm just going to show you guys some additional stuff that you could like get on the website. So they have different variations of headbands that you could get, like add to your cart to go with their wig. So I got this headband right here. It's a little cute, you know, glittery, studded, you know, headband. Like, this is all the rave and the trend right now with the headband wig. Now for me personally, I love human hair headband wigs because they are so easy to style. You have them for a really long time. You get to wash it, style it, treat it like, you know, like it's human hair. So this is a curl pattern of the hair. It's really beautiful. So as I said, I got it in 24 inches. It's really full, and the direct link to the wig will be in the description box so you guys can get your own wig, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do is, instead of just spraying it with my spray bottle, I'm just gonna hop off the camera real quick, wash the wig a little bit, like do a little cold wash, and then I'm going to, you know, style it, install it, and put it all the way together. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like after I have cold washed it. So what I like to do also when I cold wash is to detangle the hair to make sure that I get any type of shedding out of the hair. So you want to make sure that you do that before applying your wig, because some curly wigs tend to get some shedding because of the pattern of the hair. And then I'm just going to take a towel and do that scrunch up method to take out the excess water. So I'm not going to put any mousse in it because when it dries, I want it to have loose, unkept look, but still have that defined curl look. If I use mousse in it, it's gonna keep the hair like this. I don't mind the wet look, but I want it to dry a little bit bigger. And if I use mousse, it's gonna like keep the curls exactly like this. So if you want your hair to stay like this, use mousse in it and let it dry like this, and you'll get the wet, wavy look. Now while I wait for the hair to dry, I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for the wig. So first thing that I like to do is to use my certified Bella scalp therapy oil. Now you guys have been asking me about this oil. I'll try to find the link and put it in the description box so you guys could also try it. I have eczema on the scalp, so I tend to get like really irritated, itchy scalp some days more than others, especially when I'm wearing a wig, protective style, even when I'm doing my natural hair. With the snow outside, with it being cold, and then inside the house with the heater, my skin dries, my scalp dries out, my hair dries out. It's a whole mess. So this oil actually helps. So I don't go overboard with the oil. Like, I basically focus on the problem area more than anything else, and then take my fingertips and just any excess oil that I have, I just work that into my doo-doo cornrows. Now with headband wigs, you don't necessarily have to wear a wig cap, but I find that when the wigs have clips on the inside and it attaches to my hair, it tends to pull my hair sometimes. So I don't like that. I don't like the tension on my head. So I like to wear a wig cap to prevent the clips. If you want security, however, I would suggest not wearing a wig cap and make sure the clips and combs in the wig actually like attaches to your hair for that extra security. But I don't mind that, especially if it's not a windy day. I don't have to do all that extra stuff. So the gel that I'll be using, or edge control rather, is a Style Factor Edge Booster. Now I'm just gonna take this comb and like push back my edges or comb them back so that you don't see the actual lines of the cornrow. And the great thing with headband wigs is if you're not like a braider, you have no one to braid your hair, it doesn't have to be like perfect or all the way together, as long as you get it to have a nice flat look. Now this is a tricky part, like when you actually do your makeup before applying your wig, you gotta be careful because you know the makeup is gonna get into your edges and on your edge control. Okay, now the inside of this wig actually comes with clips like that you see on actual clip-ins. So this will be perfect if you want that security, because these type of clip, they snap into place, so they ain't going nowhere. So it's one of those snap clips. You see that? And you just put that onto your braids and just snap it in place. And then you got your actual headband that you tighten to fit. So I won't be using the clips because, as I said, I don't need that type of security right now. So make sure that you get your correct size wig when you're getting wigs. Okay, so you got the long piece here, and then you got the sticky attachment part. So I'm moving the hair out of the wig so it doesn't actually stick onto the sticky part. I'm going to get it as tight as I can, and then I'm going to push it back. Yes, girl, this feels secured. Okay, I'm not trying to get into a fight with nobody anyways, so yeah, I think I'm good on that, but it's real secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Sleek and Shine anti-frizz serum. So I use this on almost all of my wigs because it's a really light oil, so you don't want to use any type of heavy oils to weigh down your hair. So stick to light oil. So you could use this or argan oil, or any type of those light oils will go perfect with your wigs. So you know, you could do the half up look with this, or you could do it up in one. As long as you get your headband to hide the band in the back, you can do one. You can do a bun. I work out in my headband wigs. If you guys watch my vlogs on my other channel, I literally work out in headband wigs because it's like so freaking convenient. So I'm gonna try it on with the little headband thingamajig. Okay, girl. Look how bouncy the hair is. Do you see how free flowing the hair is? Like, girl, what? Stiff wear. Not my hair. Okay guys, now this is the completed look. This is how the hair is looking when it's dry without the additional product in there. So as I said, if you wanted it to stay in the wet wavy stage, use mousse, but I wanted it to dry to look like its natural type of curl pattern in its natural form without the extra products. So I just put the little bit of argan oil in there, or Sleek and Shine oil, and then just leave it as is. I also went outside to take some winter pictures, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram as yet, you need to go ahead and see those full pictures. Okay, just saying. So all the details will be in the description box for this unit. It is in 24 inches, and the density and all of that will be down below for you guys. And that is all that I have for you guys today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, make sure you are subscribed down below. Turn your notifications on so you can catch up with me anytime I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at DamnThatSchev. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.